Happy Wednesday, fourth grade mathematicians. Today what we're going to be going over is two awesome skills on IXL, similar to what we did the other day with addition, only this time with subtraction. Once again, I know you're probably wizards at this already. It's more just to make sure you've got it down, you're used to choral response, and that there is no hesitation. So we're going to go ahead. I'm in my IXL assignments for week 2. I go ahead and click on C.1. When I click on that, it's going to pull up a new tab, and it's going to say subtract numbers up to 5 digits. I, of course, check that my name is in that upper right-hand corner of my IXL before I do anything else. Now, similar to what we did with the addition problems, I'm going to copy my problems onto a scratch piece of paper or a whiteboard in order to solve them, but I'm also going to double check that I wrote my numbers correct, because if I didn't, that would throw everything off, and we want to make sure we've got that correct. So our first number is 9,049. My second number that I'm taking away from that is 1,383. Before I do anything else, I double check that I have the right numbers. 9049, 9049. Second one is 1383, 1383. Okay, I've got it down. Now, once again, going to say it out loud. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Write the 6. 4 minus 8 equals can't do it. Cross out the 0, can't do it. Cross out the 9, write an 8, add a little 1. Cross out the 10, write a 9, write a little 1. 14 take away 8 equals, think about it, 6. Write the 6. 9 take away 3 equals 6. Write the 6. 8 take away 1 equals 7. Write the 7. What's your answer? Once again, when I say what's my answer, that's when I go through and add my commas. 7,666. I'm going to type from this side, 7666. Put it in. So this one has borrowing, but like I said, I'm guessing you guys are masters at this. We'll see. 9,788 minus 2,186. Before I do anything, I check that I wrote my numbers correct. 9788, 9788, 2186, 2186. So I wrote my numbers correct. Now I'm going to go ahead and start subtracting. 8 take away 6 equals 2. Write the 2. 8 take away 8 equals, you can say minus or take away. I'm going to say minus. Let me start over. Minus takes less time, and I'm all about taking less time. 8 take away 6. Pull it together, Miss Hiccup. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Write the 2. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Write the 0. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Write the 6. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Write the 7. What's my answer? 7,602. 7,602. Do another one here. 5,893. This is going to be the last one that I do with you. Double check that I wrote it correct. 5893, 5893, 4400, 4400. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Write the 3. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Write the 9. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Write the 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Write the 1. What's the answer? 1,493. I'm actually going to do one more because I want one that I have to carry. And I haven't had one of those since that very first one, and it had a lot. I want to work on that. Carrying and saying it out loud. Once again, getting in those habits and making sure they're perfect before we start doing them more and more in class. 4,780 minus 677. I also made sure that I lined everything up correctly and checking that my numbers were copied correct. Okay. 0 minus 7 equals can't do it. Cross out the 8, write a 7, write a little 1. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Write the 3. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Write the 0. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Write the 1. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Write the 4. What's the answer? 4,103. Before I submit, I also always double check that I wrote the right thing in there. And I'm not going to do this last one because it doesn't require borrowing, but I'm sure you guys know how to do this. Just make sure you're going through and practicing and say it out loud. And if you're like me who made a few mistakes at the beginning, practice. It's okay. We're still just getting going and just learning this year, so don't worry about it. Just go through, practice them out loud, even if you feel a little silly, because I promise you, if you can get in the habit of doing this in your head, you are going to be able to master things so much faster than anyone around you. So it doesn't matter. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you for the next skill.